Constantine Vesperas, I'm a special event specialist at ako ay tumatayong head ng mga event workers. Dito sa mga nakaraang araw at buwan, maraming nangyayaring issues sa events industry. Maraming gulo, maraming ganap. Very recently itong si Dos Diseños. Hindi ako pwedeng manahimik, hindi pwedeng hindi kumilos dahil napakaraming mga clients ang involved. Ang daming luhang tumutulo, ang daling mga dream weddings ang nawawasak. So kailangan kong kumilos because in my heart, I know that I can be of help. How? Creating awareness among our people that ang pagbubuk ng kliyente hindi basta-basta. Number 2, kung mura, magtaka ka. Parang naghahanap kayo ng napakasarap na lechon, malutong na lechon. 150 ang pakakainin. Ang presyo yan ngayon is 15,000. May nag-alok sa'yo ng 4,000, may libreng chop suey, may libreng leche plan, may libreng rice, soft drinks, disposables. Magtaka ka. At number 3, hindi lahat ng all-in packages kinakagat. Hindi lahat ng mura ay maganda at hindi rin lahat ng maganda ay mahal. Maging mapanuri tayo. Number 4, wag basta-basta mag-itiwala. Pag ang isang kontraktor nag-demand ng more than 50%, magtaka ka. Pag ang kontraktor nagtanong na o humingi ng full payment, mas magtaka ka. So, ganun lang po yun. So, I am creating awareness at the same time, nangyari na. Ano ngayon? Inuunan naming mga ikakasal na with the next 15 days para tulungan sila na hindi sila magmukhang kawawa. Binubuo ko ang mga suppliers sa pamamagitan ng aking mga kasama. Marami po sila. Marami po nag-volunteer upang maisaayos namin ang mga kasal ng mga kliyente ni Dos Diseños. I don't know him personally. I haven't even had the chance to work with him professionally. He's not a member of our organization. But in my heart, it's the dictate of my conscience to act. So maski na member ko yan, wala akong kilala dito sa mga nanditong mga clients ni Dos Diseños, but I have to take the initiative because I believe I can do something. For evil to triumph, it is enough that good men do nothing.
Ilan po yung clients po dumulog po sa inyo?
Ang mga kachat ko na is for the upcoming weddings, mga 50 plus. Yung mga past clients, I stop counting. Yung mga kliyente, ay yung mga suppliers, I stop counting. So marami sila. Pero again, I'm not here to pass judgment on Dos Diseños. I'm not here to say tama yung mga nagko-complain at mali si Dos Diseños. I'm just here to be of help to these people. In fact, ang tawag ko sa kanila, clients, I never call them victims. It will not go below 5 million. It's more than that. We're talking of millions and millions here.
So ano po yung naging, after po nitong naging meeting po ninyo, the resolution na naisip po nitong mga clients po?
First of all, inalam ko ngayon kung sino yung mga ikakasal the next 30 days. From their own, ipaprioritize namin. Iko-contact ko ang mga suppliers na willing to help. Anong klase help yon? Libre po ba? Discounted po ba? Pagkain lang po ba? Transpo lang po ba? Lilinawin ko po yon para mairaos nila ang kanilang mga kasal. Yung mga ikakasal for the next coming months, we will give them options and choices. And I told them, if you are in doubt about the supplier you're going to book, you can message me and we'll tell you if they're legit or not. Well, for the may-ari ng Dos Diseños, he is now at the comfort and safety of his isolation venue. But for now, I'm thankful pa rin at nag-reach out siya sa akin. Of course, sana makabangon siya. Sana makabawi siya. Sana mabigyan siya ng second chance. At sana in the end, mapatawad siya and he can start again and he becomes a very productive member of our society. Everyone deserves a second chance. Pero for now, naiintindihan ko ang galit ng mga tao sa kanya. At ginusto niya yan, ginawa niya yan, panindigan niya yan. Sa usapan namin kanina, wala pa akong nakitang objective, clear answer kung papayag siya doon or not. Whatever it is, it should be put into writing. And realistically speaking, I don't see how he can refund millions and millions for the next 12 months. Realistically speaking, Kung walang magtitiwala sa kanya, paano siya gagawa ng isang gown? Kung walang magtitiwala sa kanya, na supplier, sino ang kasama niya para ipundar ulit, simulan ulit ang negosyo niya? It will take time to start anew. So I don't see any refund for the next coming months. That's realistically speaking. Yeah, I'm not here to initiate legal action, police action. No. Kung gusto nila, legal action, police action, I respect that. But for me to initiate that action, it's well beyond what I'm capable of doing. Ayokong may stress. Life is beautiful.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News.